Too much age no the for me makwa ba shoko eba ha say enne me din edida na ama ogusu a de yakoso Ghana ha say ena me de bremu na feel last weekend visit this week no na te ensem bebre efa Kennedy Osei ho ene ne yere Tracy Osei sesia a waware aboma mote wo fa akwa wo twere mo na a free prophecy over the weekend be viral say ye share Tracy and come say obe worry obi a to say wo ni mo Ghana ha say obi odimu pa Ghana ha say be dede bebe Ghana ha ebesi say kofo started selling around trend to be said Tracy no what the guy be for 5 years na but what the guy no pono ko share Kennedy where they now ko share Kennedy was say no on a guy no na and otimi twa guy no ho kwaje Kennedy number and then they on Kennedy awarin e bi on ground so yes that news BBM say obabi e we chira work say Kennedy bo awari Tracy no ono na ye ne fempade pa nkomo ya aware na nsensem mpo na titi wo mutim na Ghana fo bebre ye hwe nim say aware fro ye ja mo aware bi na nsem pepe wo aware na echi no nkomo mepie se na chigba ne efi akoto wo mso mpie be ka o masem no na nkomo ba chechwe mu say say na semnity and say na city ye hwe nim sa ko say na no pay ye ko bie ye fidie so ne hwe de ekoso a Tracy dia beto dwa say de ekosunia de ehuni nia eye enyankopon na dom arakwa na nyankopon hyehyeye mu na abemu amano ye hye se ko hye Kennedy super do say nyankopon so na nyonyam nia efata we amagana fo bebre no wo nsem aka wo yem eka wo be na den se de wo pete no we nya no enti no na be enti do na no mo kasa bebre no wo nsem nia aka wo menu na Tracy ebra wo de asem we betu dwa na o chere say it's God's plan wo posti pictures bi na pictures no do na eye na warrior no pictures na wo fa sa akonya no so ededa dankofo a wo mo ye ne mmoa e wo na warrior na se wo mo hyehyɛ flowers wo mo bo an entire shemu te se obi biye o ye ne mmoa sonko bia e wo fa na warrior last weekend no wo de enshira ensem eto wo mabrabo so na biem no so wo wie ne picture wo ne Kennedy ejina wa wo mo film no te se wo don na ba bia akoso wano no de to say it's God's plan to reply in conformity won't be same be say na Tracy no fi na Tracy obemu da ben Tracy so obema na wo de to be ja obema si baby 5 years na ko do obema for chere is accept say in some by the draw so eti onka obe spend time no obedi mre no that answer questions ni me and or shy be taking it too much time ti obe simplify answer ma mu ni understand na mo pay tie fi na no and no dey beto me say it is God's plan enyankopon hyehyɛ ti de ekoso na brabo mu sesi Ghana fo epese ehu mu nkyire mu no de oka tutu ne say enyankopon hyehyɛ e de ma wo no na brabo na me ku no so abe support ono so be show say to God be the glory nyankopon ene nyam nya efata na efa ma ware no we enti na Ghana fo so wo mo kyira se ne sefata no mo kasa be haters mo te say nsem hyem enya atwomfo awon yafo no ye de munsem na abremu nti mumfa ne saa na mumfa ne kode esa se de o makai de ensem ne ntwaso eno anu we efi Selassie or say indeed this is God's plan. God bless your union. No more explaining. Don't even mind them. They don't have you don't have to reply anybody why you don't have to reply anybody for your happiness. We say if we heart of diamond or say wow, I just tap into your blessings. You are just a humble lady. If we're to be some of these slave queens that we know, they will bring a long essay for us to read and insult us well. You are indeed God's blessed. And to show what you say, Tracy, send an Ecassa Mutiano, Nahumra Secratia, when a Cassa Mukona, Patches and Yakupon Pan, and Shani Sate, and Yakupon and Kakoya, slave queens before you and Cafe Patent 10 natural. Yeah, just a wood to be funk, yeah, in some way to be called with him. One bet me straightforward, blankly on social media. No one say yes. Next time, Moka say, "Where Moka say me?" Send a Tracy. One answer, and I say, "What reply?" The haters, and I say, "Go for When we are actually for our no to God be the glory, and it is God's plan, no, and no, I read it. There is no need for any more further opening up of any story, and some asutra no, and no, we're so free. Sandy or say, oh, this lady is so nice. No wonder you had such a powerful man to marry. Indeed, it is God's plan. I hope God has the same plan for me. So where the Otumusha said, who said, the trusting and no be open or say indeed. Or no so or bomb by saying Yakopo, Ebenya Sash Shani di Amano. We're so free. Daniel was saying, Ghana for Kasa. Ghana for Kasa, just because of one marriage. All sorts of criticism. If you have the means to do the same marriage, if you have the means for the same kind of wedding, do it and leave these people to live in peace. Tracy, I just love you. God be with you and bless your union with many beautiful kids. To where the insurance them and our for the latest couple in town. Then for Mekaya last weekend and a traditional marriage fair be echoes our Tracy Tracy then your friend Tracy Ameyaw the JC to say was share in my woman to this almost dowry also a gift a free despite media group opening kese or down no Kennedy or say I catch ebre ni refu free ya utim say enyonyam de enyonyam ba ofia esefata eti from all that you know many trends eba out before we break aside na kasa bebre na ebetoja against the union between Kennedy or say and Tracy na ehun waye and as a sia no Tracy edebetoja say the Ghana for kedia say na ekoye say ekoyo ankoyo enyame hwehwe na say na aba no sa e na aba diname e na hwehwe e na Musa, it's yefa accident ya sana kunu to us and all glory be to God. Yefa accident na Emma Erade. Now it was for a same way there and I woke up for him. One dream be a wolf at same way, but your Fatsuame, I watch too much GH comment section. The BM so Emma Refisa won't subscribe here. Over me click on the red button or subscribing. Now send a brave new video be a baby and over to me notification. Oh, phone so a BM so share my water for picture for BBA or Belgia. I had a remember my quiet emergency with any SCMD, Eden and Ama Osua, Macron.